Yes, I got it.
Okay. You have 5 minutes to connect from your to connect using your laptop. Okay. So okay, I remember that you told me about your last course or your last course about the in this moment I can remember that you told me that in the mobile application too you see the Angular, yeah. For example, all concept about Angular is clear. All concept like component, like Angular CLI, like Angular router, like service, like modules is clear. Yeah, you got it or not? I am clear or not?
Yeah, for me, well, I know almost all the concept. I have to improve it, but I know a lot of Angular, but and the modules, the components, the router, maybe the RxJS. I know a little bit about that, but I don't know my friends, my classmates, if they know about this.
Okay. Show them the chat. The concept, the basic concepts about Angular is the components, modules, modules, services, structural directive, binding, and services. Okay. For example, show one thing. Okay, in this moment I can remember that in the last class we made a module, yeah? It is a module ensured header. Okay, it is a component that can use in another components, okay, or in another pages, okay. This this component, okay, okay. So this component that say welcome, yeah. So this component that say welcome. If you can see in the tab one, the app header, this is a component, okay, is this component, okay, welcome or I don't know, here component, okay. Look, and in this tab one, give me a second. in header, in HTML, this header, mm, okay, app header, okay, header component. And the idea is, for example, in this case, um, the idea is that you only if you have to modify the header, you have to modify this component. Okay, so let me show, for example, in got it. Okay, Ionic framework. IU components. It is a header no tabs. Ion toolbar. Okay, the toolbar. For example, danger. Okay, for example, this toolbar danger. This Ion toolbar. Okay. Look now. Okay, one error. Let me show. Okay. What happened? Okay. I got it. Okay, it is the dark toolbar. Okay. Mm, I don't know. So if you want to implement the functionality for this toolbar, you have to know about Angular. You got it? For example, Diego, please say me what is the way to catch what is the way to catch the click event over this icon
Maybe with on click directive.
on click? You you sure about this method?
I'm not sure if it is about on click or ng click.
Mm, what says Alvaro? Alvaro, what is the way to catch the click event over this icon? Alvaro, can you hear me? Okay. In English, Alvaro. Right in English. So, Juan Sebastian, what is the way to catch the click event? In this moment, I can remember that you, in the last course, in many concepts about Angular. So it's a basic concept. Okay.
Teacher. Mm, no, teacher. The true for my part, I can't remember about the Angular, teacher.
Okay. For this class and for the next class, I I can, how to say, the recap. I I can make a recap about Angular. but it's a so fast recap about Angular. Not it's a slowly recap. It's fast recap because because I can remember that you in the mobile application too using the concepts about Angular. You got it?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. The first concept is bindings. Bindings is the way to link the template to the component. The template is the HTML, and the component is the file that TS. Yeah. Look, the one binding. Look, binding, binding is the way to link the template. And let me show my presentation. Yeah. What is my hard disk? My external hard disk drive. Oh, got it. Where is? Give me 1 minute. Oh shit. Ah, okay. Oh, got it. Hmm. Okay. The presentation is here. Okay. Okay. So it's the way to link the template to the component. To the component. You have three bindings: event, um, event, attributes, and event attributes interpolation, interpolation, event attributes and interpolation. For the moment, no more. Okay. The event, the syntax for the event is so easy. For example, over this button is the person search ellipsis. Okay, over only thing that you have to do is put between the parentheses the number click, and you have to invoke the method. When you make a click, you have to invoke a method. Method, well, I don't know, catch click. Okay, catch click. For example, click catcher. Yeah, click catcher. Look. Okay. Is clear? Okay, so you have to remember that in this course we will work ionic over angular. Okay, so if you can, if you can use, if you want to use the, for example, on click is used when you are work with JavaScript, not with only JavaScript. Okay, maybe when you work ionic over React, you can use the on click. Yeah, guys, you got it. Guys, guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me or not? Guys, can you hear me or not? Guys, Diego, can you hear me? Guys, guys, what's happened?
Teacher,
Yeah, what's happened? Yeah, Romero. Yeah,
tell me too. You can listen me, teacher?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I can hear you. What's happened? What's happened with the partners? Mm. What's happened with Luis Alvaro? But Romero, can you hear me? The good way or the bad way?
Yes, teacher, help help you, teacher, for that topic, teacher. For what topic, teacher? The Angular?
in this moment I can talk about even. Only you have five ways to binding. The even, attributes, and interpolation. You got it?
Okay.
In this moment, we can talk about even, how to catch the even over these elements or the DOM of the document object model. Okay?
Mm, that I have done the document, teacher.
The document object model. Do you know about the document object model?
No, teacher. The
Wow.
document.
The document.
Uh,
Okay. Let me explain what is the concept about document object model. Okay.
okay.
DOM is the all elements. Okay, all elements. For example, when you have the web page, all elements, the each one, the body, the title, the paragraph, is only this element belongs to the belongs to the DOM, document object model. Yeah, document object model. Yeah, the DOM. Yeah, yeah. It is the DOM. Yeah, for example, Romero. For example, in the header, the ion toolbar is an element. It's an element that contains the buttons, the another buttons, and the buttons contains the button. Yeah, you got it,
Okay,
Romero.
teacher. Okay. Yes.
Okay, so you have to keep in mind that the the event is the way to catch the event over these elements. Okay, for example, in this case, I will catch the event over the ion button. Yeah,
Okay.
with this with this sentence, I can catch the click event over this button. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, so let me show another thing. So, for example, um, in the tab one, for example, the event. All is clear about the event, or do you have any question about the how to implement the event binding? Wow. Okay, it's clear. Okay. Okay. The for example the binding about the interpolation. Okay. The interpolation. Let me show. For example, if you have the I don't know the name, for example. Okay. Where is okay. Mm, okay. For example, the I don't know. For example, these names: Kevin, Luisa, Luis. Okay. For example, Kevin, Luisa, Luis. Kevin. Okay. Is this that name? Okay. But is a error because don't have because you don't have the attribute that call a name. Okay. So let name student one, for example. Name student one. Okay. So you can see that in this item don't appears name. Okay. So let me show what is the way to appear the name? So, okay, you have a public attribute, okay, for example, name is student one, yeah, name is student one. With the, I don't know, the naming Kevin, okay, Kevin, Kevin, okay. Oh, let me check what's happening. Ah, okay. Name is student one. Name is student one. Oh, what happened? Ah, okay. It is in the header, not just in the header. It's in the page. Okay. Okay. You got it. For example, Kevin. Kevin, what is your last name? Kevin Tovar. Okay. Okay. Kevin. In this case, Tovar. Okay. Kevin Tovar. Okay. You have, oh, for example, so let me say that I don't know. For example, if you have a Zoom, for example, yeah, Zoom, for example, each plus eight, if each excuse me, 8 plus 8, for example, is is 26. So the idea of the binding of the interpolation is convert all data, all type of data to strings. Yeah. For example, in this case, it's an integer. It's a type integer, and the data bindings convert this data to a string. You got it, guys?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. It is interpolation. Okay. Interpolation, even interpolation, even, and um, interpolation, even attribute. Yeah, for example, the attribute. So I have idea. For example, the attribute. So when you have an attribute, I don't know. For example, let me show the header, the deep. What is the deep padding. For example, with padding. For example, this attribute. Yeah, the style is something attribute. Yeah. So, for example, the attribute is style. Yeah. So style and maybe the background color blue. Yeah. Blue. Yeah. Blue or HTML colors, maybe this color. Okay. background color blue. No. Okay. Okay, this background. Okay, so the idea in this case to make a binding of attribute, the attribute, for example, in this case, the attribute is style. Yeah, the idea is close the close the style, close the attribute between the square braces. You got it? Example in this case. Yeah, and and so let me show public an style, maybe the style diff. Okay, style diff. Okay, this that style diff. Okay, okay. We cannot. Okay, it's same. Okay, so let me show one thing. So in this case, in this moment, I can catch the click over this button. Yeah, click, change style. Yeah, change style is that style diff equals maybe with another thing, another color. So with this color is okay. Okay, guys, let me show how work the attribute binding. Okay, look. Okay. What's okay? Okay. Look. Can you see the difference or not, guys? Guys, can you see the difference or not?
Teacher,
Yeah.
for my part, so teacher.
Okay. What is the question? What is the what, why? What is the reason to not understand this concept?
Mm, um, teacher, excuse me. You can put more big the screen, teacher, please. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Mm, okay, the attribute, yeah. Maybe I don't know. Maybe Luisa. Luisa, can you hear me?
Teacher, I didn't understand much. Sorry.
Can you understand the concept?
No, not too much.
Okay. Okay, Diego, can you hear me now or not?
Yes, teacher.
What's happening the last time? In the last time, I don't know. I want to hear you, but I don't answer my question.
I was changing from my phone to my laptop.
Okay. Write, put a message, okay,
Okay,
in the meeting chat, because maybe in the next class, I don't know, maybe in the next class or the other class, I can make the quiz. If you don't answer my question, your note is zero. You got it?
got it.
Okay. Mm, okay, Diego. Diego, you got it, the concept?
No, sir.
No. Mm, okay. Kevin, can you remember about the concept about the attribute binding? Ah, okay, and double binding. And double binding is missing. Default is double binding. Kevin, can you hear me? Okay. Diego, you are open your project, your Ionic project.
No, teacher. I don't have any INO project.
Okay. Romero, you have opened your project.
No, teacher. I haven't the project in Ionic, teacher.
Luisa, Luisa, you have opened your project in Ionic.
Teacher, I arriving home.
What?
I'm going to my house. I have I- I'm in the cell phone.
You are connecting from your
No.
cell phone. Okay.
Yes.
You are not in your house. Okay. Guys, what is the idea? The idea is that you share your screen and explain me what is your problem with the concept. Okay. So, for example, in this case, the style, yeah, the attribute is a style, or okay, I have another example. For example, this icon, yeah, this icon, this element. You got it, yeah. Ion icon is an element, yeah. Nice.
Icon is element. Yes, teacher.
Ion icon, the element that stay between the line 26 and 25 and 26, yeah. It is an element called ion icon, yeah.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, one attribute of this element is name. This name of the icon is bowling ball outline, yeah. So let me show one thing. For example, yeah, the way to make a binding is the name. Look, this icon will be this icon should be disappear. Look, yeah, look. The idea, the idea is look this icon, but the icon don't exist, don't exist inside the component. Yeah, so To implement the binding, you have to put the icon inside the attribute, yeah? For example, in this case, public icon equals, yeah, mm, bowling ball outline. Look, yeah, yeah. And let me show one thing. Ion, icon, ionic. Let me show one thing. Ion, icon, ionic icons. For example, this icon, yeah, this icon. Look, battery half outline, yeah. Look, when you make a click over the change style, you can make an icon, you can change an icon, yeah. You can put the another icon. Let me show. This icon. Look, look, guys, yeah. Look, yeah. Yeah, it's clear or not? It's clear. Look, look. Okay. For example, if I don't know if this icon equals bowling, yeah, this icon is and it's if this icon is this icon equals bowling ball online. Okay, let me show. Look, is clear or not is clear? Not yet. Guys, 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 is clear or not? Yes, in this moment, yes. I don't have any problem with
Yes.
explaining, yeah, with make explanation again. Okay, no problem. But the idea is that the concept is will be clear for all. Yeah. Okay. In this moment, for example, Alvaro, you are connected from your laptop or from your smartphone. Alvaro, smartphone. Okay. Okay, Alvaro says me that Alvaro are coming to her house. So okay, I understand that Alvaro cannot connect them from your laptop now. Okay, Diego, you are open your project.
Profe, que no tengo ningún proyecto ahorita con Angular. No, o sea, no tengo ninguno.
Make one. You know what is the way to make one project in Angular, in Ionic?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, do it. All students have to make one project over the Ionic. You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, to make Ionic start. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is install the npm. Okay,
Teacher,
yeah.
teacher, excuse me. This command is for start or for install, download
This
Ionic, teacher.
Ionic start, no, Ionic start is for to make a project.
Ah, okay.
Okay, all the students, 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Okay,
Teacher.
Okay, the project is ready. Guys, guys, to be honest, the class don't sense if you don't follow me, don't follow me. The idea is that you have the project and follow my path and follow my steps. Is the only way to learn about Angular, about Ionic. Don't have any way. Yeah? Guys, guys, can you hear me? Guys, no. Why? Guys, guys, guys. I don't know what is the questions about the how to implement or how to make a project in Ionic. Guys, guys, what is the question? Guys, from for the next class is a task, a homework. It's incredible. Okay, homework. Connect. The one point is connect from laptop. From laptop. Incredible. And the second point of the homework is present the Ionic project over Angular, not over another technology or yeah, technology or platform. technology. Okay, guys, do you have any question? It's very easy. So, ionic framework. Market this guy. It is the installation. Okay, it's incredible because I remember that in this class I show what is the way to implement. I remember that I showed what is the way to implement the first Ionic project. So I don't know what is the reason. Okay, in Ionic start. Okay, and you have to install the npm. Guys, to be honest, you never learn how to make a Ionic project. Only see me. No, not is the way to learn. The way is study, read, try to implement your project. Yeah, it's clear or not? It's clear, guys.
Perfect, teacher.
Only way. Don't exist another way. It's the only way. Okay. So you have to install how to install npm. Okay. So before that you install the Ionic, you have to install npm. Okay. How to install? Got it. Or Node.js, excuse me, Node.js. And by default, Node.js install npm. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, guys, do you have any question to close the class? To end the class?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, excuse me. Okay, the second point, teacher. The second point, the
The
homework,
homework.
teacher.
Yeah.
I understand. I can't understand, teacher.
Yeah. So the idea is that the first thing that you have to do is install Node.js, and the second thing that you have to do is install the Ionic. Okay. Follow. Okay. The second point is follow these steps.
Okay.
So in this moment, I suggest a video. So I suggest a video